Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to reset your password on Royal Bank of Canada online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Royal Bank of Canada. Click on this first website over here. Now click on sign in button over here. Now simply enter a username and simply click on next, after which we need to enter our password. And if you have forgotten the password, what we can do is click on recover your password option, which we'll get in the next step. After which we'll get a verification code in our email or phone number, after which we can finally reset the password. And if you have forgotten your username, simply click on recover your username over here. Now we need to enter our client card number, email address, after which we'll get a code in our email, after which we can reset our username. So that is all we can do to reset our password or the username in Royal Bank of Canada online banking. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.